So everybody knows AIRSEPT, and AIRSEPT has been around for decades now. And there's the one product that I like right over there that you should have to protect your units, but they're into manufacturing and repairing. You could put inline filters and do repairs on lines. Protection, see from a burnt, see the like little pieces of the compressor would be caught by that screen that you would press in the end of the compressor so bits and pieces don't come back down the suction line. That is what these are for. Different chemicals. Now this is the thing that separates bad stuff like sealants out of the refrigerant system before it goes into your recovery machine. So you'd want to put something like this before your recovery machine to separate sealants out and other contaminants and oils out, so you can have a cleaner product before you recycle it and don't damage your equipment. And then we have the oil injector over here, easy to see. You have your milliliters right here, very clear. Glass or plastic? Is that
Pyrex?
Oh, that's Pyrex.
Plastic outside.
Okay, so you do have glass on the inside. It's all metal, so you don't have moisture intrusion. And so I got to get one of these to demonstrate on a YouTube channel. Maybe you'll see me, guys, I don't know, about 200 bucks?
A little under.
Little under 200 bucks. Not bad. And yeah, that's good. You've seen me use this on my channel before, showing you guys sometimes oil comes out and sometimes it doesn't come out when you do a recovery. And the difference is you got to know when you do and don't, especially for you guys who use the little mobile recovery machines. You don't know when you're taking out too much oil. So if you had an inline sight glass, you can actually control the speed of your recovery unit to make sure you don't remove oil. And then these used to be outrageously expensive. Are they still outrageously expensive? Under 100 bucks.
Yes.
Oh, okay. So if you remember several years ago, okay, many years ago, I just walked away when I heard the price. It was $700. They were made out of stainless steel by some company, and I seen those, and I said, "Oh, how much?" And he said $700. I go, "Good day." But yeah, more reasonable for those ones on those Mercedes, those BMWs that have that in-sunk where you can't get your big one too easily. You can get it with some force, but this would make life easier. Or the ones where you're on that Dodge and it has that one way down behind the manifold in the back of the head, under by the firewall, and it's way back there, and you want to just get straight back to it on that BMW or some of those Dodges like that. That would be much easier than where you can't manipulate your hand to get back there. So that is an option, straight shot. And this is all by AIRSEPT. And that is the company name right there. And there's their, where is their website?
So you're,
Oh, there you go.
I'll get you one.
AIRSEPT.
Curiosity. Who are you with?